Hello everyone, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Marvel Rivals error code 10, so let's get started. Now for the first method, go to the Windows search bar, type in view network connections, you will find it right here, select it. Now once this opens, you need to look for your Wi-Fi, which is this one. If you do use one, right click, after that select properties. Now you just need to look for Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4, double click on it, and then you need to switch obtain DNS server automatically to use the following DNS server. Now put the preferred DNS server as 111 and 1 and the alternate one to 100 and 1. After that select OK and close everything. Now for the second step, go to the Windows search bar, type in cmd. After that select run as an administrator. Now make sure to type in this command, net space winsock space reset. After that hit enter. Now you need to type this command as well, which is ipconfig space / DNS and hit enter again. And lastly, make sure to type net space int space ip space reset and hit enter for the last time. As you can see here, you need to restart your computer, so go to the Windows logo and make sure to restart your PC, and that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.